Hello guys. In this video, I'm gonna redraw my OC, Jasmine. Last year I drew this. I'm trying to differentiate between the new drawing and the old drawing. Without wasting any time, let's get started. But first, let me show you a sketch real quick. Just a reminder, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and hit the bell button. Now, let's get started. First, pick the main color of the body. Add another layer because we don't want to ruin the line art. Apply the color. Let's change the background color. Why am I changing the background color? If you use a gray color, lighter colors will even look more glowy. But if you use a white background, it will affect the highlights. So I suggest you use a gray background or any other dark color. I've already picked the color of the hair. Let's color clothing. Add another layer and then clip it. Because we're only painting on one specific layer. Now let's add makeup on her face. I'm using a Gifty Draw soft brush for the skin. Let's do the nose real quick. For the nose, just put the shadow on the bottom. Blend gently. Coloring the lips. As you can see, I've already applied color to the eyes. I apologize, I forgot to record. Now let's add some shadows to the hair. Cleaning nasty strokes. When everything looks set, merge all layers. Because I want to use liquefying tool. After merging all layers, make sure you duplicate the layer. Just in case you ruin your first art piece, you can easily switch to the original one. Using liquefying tool. We use liquefying tool to make the drawing look almost perfect and more believable. As you can see, the left eye is not in right position. Also, don't forget to flip the canvas. It's important. I'm not yet done with the lips. It still needs some details. Now let's add some details to the eyes, using dip pen hard. I'm 95% done. I'm just messing around with the brushes. Lastly, let's use 5 lines brush to spice things up a little bit. So now let's compare. There's a huge difference between the two. This explains a lot. There's actually a rapid improvement. Let me know what you guys think about the two. Any words? Thanks for watching. I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And yes, thank you so much for 90 followers. I really appreciate.